postpone calling attention. Shri Ullas Tuekar and Shri Michael Lobo, MLAs, may please call the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister.
Direct answer. Yeah.
Honorable Chief Minister.
Sure. Goa is sizable NRI and diaspora community based in the Arabian Gulf. A military conflict involving Israel, the USA and Iran has commenced on the 28th of February 2026. Israel and the USA launched the coordinated joint attack on Iran, targeting the various Iranian facilities and infrastructure along with the Iranian leaders, including the Iranian Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei. As on date, and it is stated that the conflict, besides directly affecting the Iran and Israel, has also impacted other nations like the Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, the UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Oman, etc. In varying degrees, a significant Goan NRI and diaspora community is based in UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Oman, etc. in a various proportionate, with the UAE in topping the said list. The government of Goa is concerned about the evolving situation in the Arabian Gulf and is maintaining the cautious watch over the situation, and also liaising with the Ministry of the External Affairs, New Delhi. Although the calling attention motion is referred to request to obtain the update informing regarding the safety of the Goans working in the Gulf region, it is clarified that there is no Goan national but only Goan NRI and diaspora community. It is assured that all the possible support from the Government of Goa, which is in touch with the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, and the various Indian missions posts in the Arabian Gulf, will be made available to our Goan NRI and diaspora community for ensuring their safety and security. Admittedly, the situation is volatile, but there is no need to be the panic, and the situation is presently under control, with some flights and transport facilities available for the movement of the people from the Gulf countries. The Indian Embassy in UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain have issued the advisory for the Indian nationals in these regards. The copies of the advisory are enclosed with the annexure A. Recently, there is a virtual meeting of the Chief Secretaries of the states and Union Territories, which is scheduled today. The meeting has been convened in the view of evolving the situation in the West Asia and the Gulf region. The discussion will include the update on the current scenario and the efforts being undertaken by the Indian embassies and consulate to ensure the safety of and welfare of the Indian national in this region, especially those who are stranded while in transit or in the short duration visit for the tourist or to meet the families and friends. The meeting will also cover the general advisory and guidelines issued in the present context, as well as the coordination with the state union territory authorities to dissemination of the relevant information and support to the families of the Indian national who may affect it. At present, the meeting is at 3 p.m. With the CS. By the Joint Secretary of the Ministry of the External Affairs. हाच्या संदर्भातलो जी सगळी एडवायजरी जी आसा पळय टाइम टू टाइम इश्यू केला. Regarding this, the Ministry of the Petroleum has issued the circular regarding the shortage of the gas and rest all. The order, Government of India, the Ministry of the Petroleum and Gas issued order on the 5th of March. ती ऑर्डर आसा, पण हे सगळे लक्षात घेऊन पयलो कन्सर्न इज आवर NRI आणि जे सिटीजन्स थंयसर आसा तांच्या संदर्भातलो डेफिनेटली आज 3च्या मिटिंगेन बाकीचो शेड्यूल कितें आसा किंवा थंयसर कोण आसा ते ठरतले. आमचो NRI कमिशनर आनी NRI कमिशनर चेअरपर्सन बोथ इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग. ताच्या भायर CS इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विथ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स. तरी इफ सपोज समवन वॉन्ट्स द डिटेल या someone have the anything, we can pass on to the Indian Embassy directly. We are communicating with the Ministry of the External Affairs from my office. My OSD, Mr. Upen Joshi, is also coordinating with the Ministry of the External Affairs. Time to time, whose request is coming. आतापर्यंत एक 2 फॅमिलीज थंय आशिल्ल्यो तांकां कोऑर्डिनेट करून ते गोंयांत सेफ रित्या पावले. जेंच्यानी आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट केला त्यांच्या खातीर आमी मदत करीत आसा. बाकीचे कोणी आसत जाल्यार सांगपाक काय हरकत ना. रिगार्डिंग दीस पेट्रोलियम एंड नॅचरल गॅस ह्या संदर्भातलो विल टेक ऑल इंटू द कॉन्फिडन्स आणि कशाच पद्दतीची टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री म्हणजे ज्यो सप्लाय जी आसा पळय न्ही हे मेंटेन दवरपाचो सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. खरोच उलोवप सुरू आसा आणि वी आर ऑल्सो डिस्कसिंग दिस इश्यू एट द हायर लेवल ऑल्सो. बट टुरिजम वेवसाय बंद जावचो न्ही हाज्या खातीर आमी सेपरेटली मिटिंगूय कॉल केल्या. ताच्या संदर्भात हांव डिटेल्स मागीर सांगतो.